Hello guys and welcome to my channel. This is your girl Sharika and today we're going to be making some Sharika's Kitchen fried chicken. Guys, so in this bowl behind here we have some chicken drumettes and I have them soaked in some vinegar because there is a debate around the world about washing chicken. Well, there's no debate in the Caribbean. We wash our chicken, period. When we're finished washing our chicken, we disinfect our sink and the bowl that was used to wash the chicken, and all is good again. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to be washing my chicken, and while it soaks in the vinegar for just a little bit, I'm going to be preparing my flour. And I just have some regular flour in here, and I'm just going to be adding my seasonings. I have a Maggie Cube here, and this is not what I wanted to use today, but I just checked and realized that I'm out of all-purpose seasoning. Well, not exactly out, but there's such a tiny bit in the bottle. I don't know how I let that happen, but what I would normally use is all-purpose seasoning and seasoning salt, and I'll insert a picture just so you can see what I normally use, but I have to improvise today. So I did mix in my Maggie Cube, and you should be able to see those yellow particles in there. I'm just going to be going in with some black pepper. When I go back to the store, I will be buying a big black pepper because I don't know what I'm doing with these little bags of stuff that don't last any time. I don't even know why I picked that up, but whatever. But anyways, I'm then going to be going in with some smoked paprika. And yes guys, I'm pretty heavy-handed on ingredients. I'm going to be adding some parsley flakes. See, things like this parsley, I've had it forever. Unlike the little pack of black pepper, that's not going to last me any time. And then I'm going to be adding some Italian seasoning. Not much of that though. And then, just for a little spice, we're going in with some cayenne pepper. And not too much of that either. And I'm just gonna mix the area of my chicken is gonna have seasoning. And I hope my voice is not too soft in this video, especially since my husband has the TV really loud. Alright guys, so we have our flour, we have our chicken, and what we're gonna be doing here is that we're gonna be taking a piece of our chicken, well washed and cleaned, and we're going to just be dipping it in the flour. And making sure every part of that chicken, every little nook and cranny, everywhere is covered in this seasoned flour mixture. And yeah, this is it. And we're just gonna do that for every piece of our chicken. Look at that, you can see all that seasoning in there. So my oil has been on for a little while now. Let's do a test. Let's see if it's ready. Yes, and it is ready. So I'm just going to go ahead and drop in all of them. White. I want chicken to be fried nice and warm. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Enjoy!